Jai Shri Mataji. We will now be demonstrating Ajwain Duni treatment. Now, what is Ajwain Duni treatment? Ajwain Duni means charcoal. Like in Ajwain Kapoor, Ajwain means carom seeds, Kapoor means camphor. So here Ajwain Duni. Duni, what he's showing there is a charcoal tablets. In Dubai we get this. In India also you get normal charcoal. You can take it and burn it. In Dubai what normally we do is we can burn it in the stove itself. It is very fast. This charcoal tablets, magic coal, it is said. It is called as, and you get it in Lulu or any supermarkets. You will get this tablets. So in India also you get the charcoal, normal charcoal. You can burn it and then bring it to the treatment. So this also should be done in front of Shri Mataji. And very importantly, this can be done also in the matka, in the same brass vessel or this vessel which you are seeing here. Put the aluminium vessel and then you first burn and keep the charcoal ready and bring it and keep it in this. Okay, when you take the charcoal, 1 or 2 is always better because 1 will be very small. And then what we are going to do is, throughout the treatment, we are going to keep on putting the ajwain on the charcoal so that it will get spluttered and the fumes will come. So that fumes and spluttering is what is going to help you in the treatment. So how do we do it? Again, we take a bandhan, sit in front of Shri Mataji, we take a bandhan, and after we take a bandhan, we are going to take the ajwain duni and then we will put some ajwain seeds on the ajwain duni. Now the moment you put it on the charcoal, you can see the fumes. You can see like fumes coming up. The fumes should come up like that. So for the COVID time also, this is what we all did, just smearing the fumes. So during the COVID, even any cold cough, you can do this. Just normally smear it. Yeah, keep it little down so that it automatically goes in. Yeah. This is the way we will do. It will keep going in when you smear it inside. Okay, so this is one way of clearing the cold cough problems, COVID problems, everything, chest congestion, for everything Ajwain Duni is very good. While you smear, the central heart also gets cleared. And now we will do the treatment. For the effect of the treatment is, see, Ajwain Duni is more powerful for, bhoots and badas, because charcoal always is burnt to clear off the possessions, bhoots, badas and all that. So for a longer time, if you're having some same problem, or you see which works for you. So for some people Ajwain Kapoor is good, for some people Ajwain Duni is good. So only when you regularly do, you will know the difference. So how do we do it? See, same way like how you did Ajwain Kapoor. He is rotating it clockwise and taking it upwards spirally, and then go to it's always on the left side. Okay, and also one thing I forgot to tell you, for the void, you can rotate throughout the full void Ajwain Kapoor and Ajwain Duni. You can rotate in the void area, fully, because we won't know correctly which area you are going to finish by the left void. So you can completely do it on the full void also. And then when you take it up, same way, each chakra mantra you can say and rotate, or Mahakali Bhairavnath for the whole left channel, or you can start taking the 108 deities mantra with the mantra book. So in this case also same way, Mahakali is always very good to prefer also, or sometimes you can take Shiva Parvati or Vishnu Maya or any of the left channel deities, 108 names in the book, and keep saying it in the short mantra. Throughout we can keep on doing the Ajwain Duni. And Ajwain Duni is also very helpful for asthmatic problems, and also the smearing is very helpful to clear all the negativities. So you can also clear the Ajwain Duni by rotating it in the central heart by saying Devi Kavach. When you have some fear problem or central heart catch problem, you can rotate it in the central heart and read Devi Kavach from the mantra book while you rotate it in the central heart. That's also very good for the heart chakra problems, then wheezing problems, chest congestion, everything this will help. So this is about the Ajwain Duni treatment. Jai Shri Mataji. After finishing, as usual, we have to take the bandhan and finish it. Okay. Jai Shri Mataji. Always remember, these treatments are all to be used discreetly, not every day also. At the same time, regularly at least keep using this treatment so that you will see the difference. When you do it, you will know that day will be very different on your left side. Jai Shri Mataji.